My colleague Aditi Ananthanarayanan is now joining me from the capital for more. Aditi, high drama in the past 24 hours. What has transpired that has led to this membership finally being cancelled?
Absolutely, Rishika. In fact, since yesterday night, when we saw Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi's tweet, and after that, even the RSS showed displeasure in the induction of Sabir Ali. And then today morning, we saw Ram Madhav's tweet as well, in which he clearly showed that the RSS does not support the BJP in its decision to induct Sabir Ali as a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. There were a series of meetings that took place in the national capital, in the headquarters of the Bharatiya Janata Party, after which the final call was taken that the BJP at this point of time will annul the membership of Sabir Ali. Not only this, the party president has also made it clear to all the party leaders and all the party spokespersons that if there is any issue regarding the party's decision, then the same should be conveyed to the party president or to the party high command over in private, rather than doing it on a public platform. Clearly, this is a major embarrassing situation for the Bharatiya Janata Party, because only last week we saw Pramod Mutalik joining the BJP for almost 5 hours, after which his induction was revoked, and now the same thing happening with Sabir Ali. The only difference was that Sabir Ali's induction took place in the national capital in the presence of all the big national leaders, whether we talk about JP Nadda, whether we talk about Sudhanshu Trivedi or Dharmendra Pradhan, who is the in charge for Bihar's BJP unit. So clearly the party has decided that at this point of time Sabir Ali will not continue as the party's member because of the major dissent and the infighting regarding his induction.
Aditi, but also hugely embarrassing for the Bharatiya Janata Party, 2 U-turns in the span of, just this 1 week. Isn't the party also sending out an image of being a very divided house at this point in time?
There are no two ways about it, Rishika. The party is divided. There is major infighting within the Bharatiya Janata Party. No matter how much the party denies it, it is out in the open, it is out in the public. So there is little much that the BJP can do to save its face at this point of time. Even last week when we saw Pramod Mutalik's induction getting revoked, immediately within few days we are seeing Sabir Ali's induction also getting revoked. So clearly the BJP is divided. There is no clear terms as to who is getting inducted and who is not getting inducted. We saw Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi and the RSS going against, but again we saw Nitin Gadkari supporting Sabir Ali's induction, saying that everyone should come together to make Narendra Modi the Prime Minister. Clearly the infighting continues in the crucial days, which is just right before the election start, which is almost next week, and the party really has to take measures to ensure that such indifferences between the party and such infighting within the party should not come out in the public.
Clearly the BJP, they're washing its dirty linen in the public. Aditi Ananthanarayanan, thank you so much for joining me with that update. We will keep coming back to you for more.